Hello, Poppet. Yes. She loves it, you know it.
I know where you live.
I know where you live.
I know where I live.
That's not surprising at all. Turtle face, turtle face, turtle face. Do you have a turtle face? Wait, no. I made a bad turtle face. Laura can do a better turtle face than that. You know, it's like I can't even see my face. Whoa. Oh my god, it's gonna eat my babies. Guys, open the door if you're out there. Who's there?